Check hybrid system. Warning light on your Toyota Prius indicates a problem with the hybrid system, potentially impacting fuel efficiency, performance, and potentially leading to further damage. Ignoring these warnings can result in reduced fuel economy, decreased acceleration, and even complete system failure. It's crucial to have the system diagnosed by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Potential issues: hybrid battery problems, degradation, water leaks, or other issues can affect the battery's ability to hold a charge or deliver power. Inverter problems: the inverter, which converts DC power from the battery to AC power for the electric motor, can also malfunction. Other system malfunctions: sensors, the 12 volts battery, or even the engine or ABS system can trigger the warning if they're not functioning correctly. Consequences of ignoring the warning: reduced fuel economy. The hybrid system won't operate as efficiently, potentially leading to higher fuel consumption. Decreased performance. Acceleration and overall power may be noticeably reduced. Potential for further damage. Driving with a malfunctioning hybrid system can put extra strain on other components like the engine or transmission, potentially leading to more expensive repairs. Complete system failure. In some cases, ignoring the warning could lead to a complete breakdown of the hybrid system. What to do? 1. Don't ignore the warning. Ignoring the warning light can lead to more serious and costly problems. 2. Consult a mechanic. Have a qualified mechanic diagnose the issue using an OBD2 scanner and specialized tools. 3. Consider a hybrid specialist. Hybrid systems are complex, so it's often best to seek out a mechanic with experience in hybrid vehicle repairs. 4. Consider warranty coverage. Check your vehicle's warranty for potential coverage of hybrid battery or system repairs.